Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube of Wheels Boutique. My name is Ben, I'm the owner. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting our channel. Today we got something pretty cool. Bianco Italia, pearl white 812, red interior, full Miami spec, and it has a Zico wide body kit. I believe this is the second one in the United States. Full carbon overlay kit. And we did some custom 1886 wheels, crazy lips, but we did something different. We put the new Revuelto tires, which we've been putting on a lot of cars if you guys have been watching us. 265 30/21s up front, 355 25/22s in the rear. Insane lip, full carbon body kit. Car's just awesome. We did have to put a front end lift on it. Obviously, look how low she is. She does not going to go anywhere that well low. Full IP exhaust. I mean, the car just screams. Sounds amazing. This pearl just really in the sun goes nuts. Got to finish her off now with a full PPF that we do here in-house also, and a few other little details. Check her out now on the channel. Marvin took some beautiful pictures. I know we're going to have some cool rollers, how this girl screams. And let's talk about also the new 12 Cilindri coming out. You guys just saw we did the first one on multi-piece wheels. I'm a fan. I don't know what to say. I don't know what I like better now. 812, 12 Cilindri. You guys got to really see that car done right. It's going to be a home run, I think so. Again, thank you guys for watching. We got a lot of cool cars coming out right now for you guys, and hope everybody's having a great summer.